Imagine unlocking the secret to your body's natural energy. With the power of the purple peel, Mitolyn, the revolutionary dietary supplement, is transforming lives by targeting the core of your metabolism, your mitochondria. Frustrated with endless diets and energy crashes? You're not alone. Many have struggled with the same challenges. But what if the answer isn't another quick fix, but a fundamental change within your cells? Introducing the purple peel. Exploit from the Maqui Berry. Scientifically backed and clinically proven, this potent antioxidant works at the cellular level to recharge your mitochondria, your body's natural fat-burning engines. Watch as these powerhouse cells light up, multiplying and energizing your body from within. With Mitolyn, experience clean, sustainable energy without the jitters or crashes of traditional stimulants. Imagine waking up refreshed, fitting into clothes you thought you'd outgrown, and choosing healthy foods naturally. Thousands have already discovered the transformative power of Mitolyn. Backed by Harvard research and clinical studies showing a 23% increase in mitochondrial density and a 12% reduction in abdominal fat, Mitolyn offers a scientifically advanced solution unlike any other. Ready to transform your life? Take advantage of our special offer, 75% off with a 90-day guarantee. Visit our website and start your journey today. Mitolyn. Activate your metabolism from within.